After Euclid High School's last basketball game, it was determined that 1/4 of the team's points were scored by Alexa and 2/7 were scored by Brittany. Chelsea scored 15 points. None of the other 17 members scored more than 2 points. What was the total number of points scored by the other 7 team members? Okay. So in sevenths, if we talk about this in sevenths, Alexa scored 7/28. Brittany, of the points, Brittany, so times 4, 6/28. Chelsea scored 15 points. So for the other team members, it had to have been at most 14 points. It could, at most 14 points. And if that were the case, so the total number of points has to be divisible by 28. So if 56 total points were scored, that means that Alexa would have had 14. Brittany would have scored 12. And so from here, this total is going to be 41. But if 56 points were scored, then that would mean the rest of the team would have had to have scored 15 points, which is impossible. So 56 was not the total amount of points scored. Next factor of 28, 56 plus 28, is 84. So in this case, Alexa would have scored 21, Brittany would have scored 18. Adding these up, we get 21 plus 18, 39 plus 15, 54. So the rest of the team would have had to score way many. So actually, that leads me to believe that the number of points scored by the team, as this keeps increasing, then it's going to have to be true that the team scored more points. So it's got to be true that the team scored 28 points and Alexa just had 7 points. Brittany had 6 points. Chelsea had 15. So total amount scored here, we have 13. Yeah, is this right here? Then it would have had to be in the case that the 0 is scored by the rest of the team, but that's not the case. Maybe returning this 56, maybe my math was off. 14, 12, 26 plus 15 is 41. Huh. I don't know if it's a math thing, and uh, arithmetic thing. 2 sevens were scored by. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so Brittany actually scored times 4, 8/28 of the point. So that's the error. So the team would not have scored 28. That wouldn't work. But if 56 was the number there, so for Alexa, if 56 points are scored, Alexa scored 14, Brittany scored 16, 15. Then we have 15 plus 30, which is 45 scored by these. So the rest of the team, let's say they scored X, it has to be true that 45 plus X equals the total number of points scored, which is 56. So X must equal 11 then. So I would say, yeah, choice B. Choice B is the correct answer.